Hello, everyone. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through your phone, only to realize hours have passed without you noticing? Screen time can easily get out of hand, affecting both our productivity and well-being. Today, we're going to talk about how to evaluate your screen time effectively. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand the importance of evaluating screen time, identify tools and methods for tracking screen time, implement strategies to manage and reduce excessive screen time. Let's start by understanding why evaluating our screen time is necessary. Understanding usage patterns. Evaluating screen time helps you understand your usage patterns. Knowing how much time you spend on different activities can reveal areas where you might be overindulging, such as social media or gaming. Example, the surprised student. Consider Larry, a student who thought he used his phone moderately. After checking his screen time report, he was shocked to find he spent over 6 hours daily on social media. This realization prompted him to take action and manage his time better. Tools and methods for tracking screen time. Built-in screen time monitors. Most smartphones come with built-in screen time tracking features. These tools provide detailed reports on how much time you spend on various apps and activities. Example, using screen time on iPhone. For iPhone users, the screen time feature in settings offers a breakdown of daily and weekly usage. It also allows you to set limits for specific apps to help manage your time better. Third-party apps. There are numerous third-party apps designed to track screen time across multiple devices. Apps like Rescue Time and Moment provide in-depth analysis and customizable reports. Story, the busy entrepreneur. Scott, a busy entrepreneur, used Rescue Time to track his screen usage on both his phone and laptop. The app helped him identify time-wasting activities and optimize his work schedule. Desktop applications. Cold Turkey, a powerful productivity app that locks you out of distracting applications and websites for a set amount of time, helping you stay focused on your tasks. Analogy, locking the cookie jar. Imagine you have a cookie jar that you can't stop dipping into, even though you know you shouldn't. Cold turkey is like locking that cookie jar and giving someone else the key. You know it's there, but you can't access it until you've finished your work. This helped John, a graphic designer, stay focused on his projects without the temptation of checking social media. Focus Me, an app that blocks distractions, tracks time, prevents excessive screen time, and helps you develop healthier digital habits. Story, the remote worker. Catherine, a remote worker, found it hard to maintain boundaries between work and personal time. Focus Me helped her create a structured work schedule by blocking non-work-related sites during her working hours. This improved her work-life balance and overall well-being. Parental control software. Custodio. It's an app designed to help parents manage their children's screen time, but it can also be used by adults to monitor and limit their own screen usage across all devices. Example, the multi-device user. Frank, who frequently used multiple devices, struggled to track his total screen time. Using Custodio, he was able to get a comprehensive view of his screen time across his phone, tablet, and laptop. This holistic approach helped him set better limits and reduce his overall screen time. Net Nanny, another parental control tool that provides screen time management features, allowing you to set time limits and track online activity. Story, the digital detox. Maria felt overwhelmed by constant notifications and digital overload. She used Net Nanny to set strict screen time limits and schedule device-free hours. This digital detox approach helped her feel more relaxed and present in her daily life. Assignment, to put these tools into practice, I'd like you to track your screen time for the next week using either your phone's built-in feature or a third-party app. Reflect on your findings and write a brief summary of your experience. Identify areas where you can reduce screen time and propose specific changes. For further reading, I recommend How to Break Up with Your Phone by Catherine Price, which offers practical tips for managing and reducing screen time.